In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the desktop Windows Manager, high memory and CPU usage. First step is you want to head over to Task Manager. In here, look for Windows Explorer file. Should be anywhere, right here, Windows Explorer. Right click on it and restart the task. Now that's going to make your screen just go black screen for like 1 second while it's restarting. After that, what you want to do is you want to come to Device Manager. Open it up, your display adapters, right click, update driver, check if you have the best one. If you do, then come here, here, and choose the second one. Go next and update that one. Now as the last thing, what we want to try is we want to search for regedit, open it up in here, and we want to look for this folder. Now this folder is over here. You want to open up local machine, system, control set 001, services, and then scroll all the way over to N and find NDU. In here you want to find start, change this value data to 4, press OK. Now after we've changed it to 4, what we want to do is we want to scroll all the way up again. We want to close down our control set 001 and we want to open up current control set. In here you want to open up control. Then in here you want to click anywhere and press S and look for session manager, which is right here. Open it up, and on the session manager you want to find memory management. Then what you want to do is you want to find clear page file at shutdown and you want to change the value data to 1. Press OK and then you can close this one down. Then what I suggest you do is you head over to services, press anywhere and press W, find Windows Management, which should be anywhere here. Windows Management Service, this one right here. What you want to do is you want to right click on it or double click on it and you want to change manual to disabled. Press apply and press OK. Now after you've done this, just restart your PC and see if it works now. Now I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.